Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable animations on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this could improve performance on your phone a little bit because it won't require as much resource if you're not doing animations. Conversely, you might like the animations. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. And now you want to go down and select the accessibility tile. Underneath display, select color and motion. And then underneath experimental, remove animations. If you want to remove or disable animations on your Samsung phone, click inside the oval one time until it's lit up blue, meaning it's removed the animations. And if you wanted to re-enable animations, you just would toggle it back off. So you just would click inside the oval to disable that. It'd be grayed out basically. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.